Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. It's Amazon Prime Day. I'm so excited. I figured I would come on here today and just make a super quick casual video of all of my top recommendations from Amazon. There are a lot of things that are on sale, lots of deals. So I figured this could just be like your one-stop shop. I will have everything linked down below. I'm actually gonna link my Amazon storefront. You just click on the Amazon Prime Day section and just scroll and shop your heart out basically. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to see my top Amazon Prime Day picks, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I'm literally in my office. I have it on my phone. This is actually the second time I'm trying to film this video. It's been a whole situation. So anyway, the first thing that I recommend is our Breville Barista. Like it's a coffee espresso maker thing. I use this pretty much every single morning. Rob and I both do. We make lattes, we make coffee, espresso. Like you guys have actually gotten pretty good at it. If you know me, you know I don't really speak the coffee language. I don't really know the difference between the different beans and the whole thing, but this makes me feel like I'm a barista. The coffee is a bomb. My favorite coffee to make out of this is a dirty chai ice latte tea. I think that's pretty much what it's called. I don't know, but this is really good. It literally makes Starbucks coffee at home. Like we never go to Starbucks anymore because we use this. I've had it, I want to say like maybe over a month, maybe 2, maybe 3 months at this point. I don't really remember, but we use it every single day. It's very easy to use. I've gotten a handle on it and I love this thing. I would repurchase this over and over. I recommend it to like anybody who will listen because it just makes the best coffee and it's just like a special treat to have in the morning. Next up is this Bissell carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is great because you just literally spray on the solution and clean off accent chairs, my sofas, like rugs, different things like that. It's amazing. It really gets stains out. I've shown this, I think on like Instagram and TikTok. Maybe I even posted a short about it, but I love this thing. Like it really gets your furniture clean, your rugs clean. Any spots, stains are gonna be gone. I use the solution that it comes with and the hose itself, it's kind of like a vacuum. So it like sucks up the water and the dirt. It's genius. Okay, next up, an air filter. If you do not have an air filter, now's the time to get one because it's key. We keep this in our bathrooms. We have 3 total. Sometimes I'll move it into the kitchen depending on like if we cooked something and it's like stinky. It does not smell good. It's lingering and I'm like, no, I don't want this anymore. Like it was fine. It was appetizing, but now that I've eaten, I don't want this smell of food lingering. So I put the air filter in the kitchen. It like sucks up the smelly air and diffuses like clean air. I don't know the science, but anytime I use this, it doesn't take long either. I think like I'll plug it in, press start, a minute later, the room smells amazing. Like it smells clean. So highly recommend that. This next one, Ninja air fryer. You can look up tons of air fryer recipes on Pinterest, but you definitely need this. It seriously makes cooking so easy. We've cooked salmon in this, chicken in this, fries in this, like desserts I think too. Anything you can think of, we put it in the air fryer. It's done in 2 seconds. You don't have to wait on the oven heating up. Like the air fryer is where it's at. Okay, now this next one, I don't know, to me, it's perfect timing because we're getting into the holiday season and this KitchenAid stand mixer just screams holiday for me in my mind. Maybe because I only use it around the holidays. If you are a baker though, I highly recommend this. It's nice. It's a classic. Like I just moved into my new place. I'm so excited about my home. So I have to have this appliance. Like it's just a staple and I love it. I don't use it often, but there's something about seeing it in the kitchen that's just like, I don't know. I feel like a real adult by having this. And if my kids are like, oh, we want to make cupcakes, mom, like I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to feel legitimized. Okay, moving on, another like adult purchase. A lot of these are so far. My Dyson vacuum. I purchased this back when we lived in the old house, maybe like 5-6 years ago. Still use it every single day, sometimes twice a day. It is so good. You don't have to carry around like this heavy, huge vacuum. It's cordless. Like you literally just and it gets the house clean. Like it is genius. It's amazing. If you do not have this yet, you need to pick it up. Like what are you doing? Like it's awesome. I know they have like so many different variations. To me, they're all the same. Like as long as it's getting like the crumbs and dirt off the floor, we're good. Rob's bringing my charger. Thank you, Rob. I need to charge my camera. I'm literally like the battery's dying, but I want to get this up really quickly. So, okay, moving on to another kitchen appliance, the Vitamix blender. Vitamix is like a household staple. They have food processors, they've got blenders, obviously, like they have so many kitchen appliances and this blender is gorgeous. I love the white and the gold color. I think it's just so pretty, but also like if you need a blender, want to make smoothies in the morning, gazpachos, is that what it's called, Rob?
I believe so.
Yeah, something like that. If you want to make some blended up. Rob's trying to find the charger. It's right here. Can you
That's
just
in here, right?
Yeah, it is. This would be perfect, and it's aesthetic, so like why not? Okay, also
Nice.
these shower shelves. I have a version of these. I don't have these exact ones. We have had our shower shelves since we put them up. I want to say like maybe like 2 years ago at this point, and I've never had an issue, right, Rob? Like, and we have so many bottles of you can just put it here. Bottles of like, oh, it is charging. It's charging. I see the thing right there. Okay, so we have tons of bottles of shampoo, conditioner, scrubs, body wash. Like I'm a big product girl. I fill that thing up and it has not budged. It's just a nice way to keep like your shower products organized. Okay, next up, I don't own this, but I thought this would be really nice. These knives, this knife set, it's by Martha Stewart. They're really chic, they're really pretty. I feel like they would look nice in a kitchen. And I like that it comes in like a block thing. To me, that's way more practical for keeping knives in. I have something similar to this that I have in my kitchen, just not this brand. Okay, random, maybe not random, depending on when you like to decorate for Christmas, but Christmas trees are on sale during the Amazon Prime Day deals that's happening right now. So many different trees, different sizes, like some actual tall, big trees too. Usually when they're having Christmas tree sales, it's on like a 5-foot tree, 4-foot, like a 3.5. This is like 6.5, 7. Like I saw some like big trees on sale and I was like, oh, this is perfect. Moving on, tons of rugs by Laloy. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce that. I'll put some options up here so you can take a look. My living room rug is 40% off. And I love that rug and it's already super affordable. So having it be an additional 40% off is like next level. I think I've bought this living room rug a total of 3 different times because if it gets stained, it's just super cheap. I'm pretty sure it's like under $200. So it's kind of like, why not? This side table I thought was really nice. If you have a corner in your room next to your sofa, next to an accent chair, and you need a little something, this would be a great option. It looks like it has a lot of space like on the top as well. So you could put like a drink, maybe a snack, phone. This lamp I thought was really nice. Okay, this is random, but Snail Mucin. Say it with me, Snail Mucin, you need this. It's by the brand xoxo, RX. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I have the essence and I have the face moisturizer. It's so good. It leaves your skin so hydrated. It's unreal. Rob's about to leave if you heard that. You hear his keys jiggling. Okay, next up, vegetable chopper. We own this. I do like this. The only thing is you can't put the whole vegetable. Like I'm pretty sure this looks like a whole onion right here. You have to cut it into fourths or at least into thirds depending on the size because you're not gonna be able to push a whole onion down into that chopper. Like it's not that strong, but it's still good.
Okay, I gotta go.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Say happy Amazon Prime Day to the people.
Happy Prime Day, y'all.
Okay, thanks, Rob. Okay, moving on. This sweater, I randomly saw this and I was like, oh, this is so pretty and it's on deal. I like this. I'll probably get white or black or maybe both, I don't know. My tripod, drive safe. My tripod is also on sale. It's really lightweight. This is the one I use for my phone when I'm filming like reels and TikToks and things like that. It's not the most like heavy duty and sturdy, but it gets the job done. I've had it for years and I really like it. Next up, these nipple covers. Okay, this is really random. I don't know, maybe I'll cut that out, but like these are really good and they come in different skin tones. Like they stay on, you can take them off in the shower and it doesn't like rip you. I don't know. Anyway, if you get it, the girls that get it, you need these. Oh, a steamer. I am such a steamer girl. I bring a steamer like whenever we travel. I just appreciate how convenient it is. So I'm always gonna use a steamer, bring a steamer with me. Like I'm just a steamer girl, like I said. And the last thing in this video, not the last thing, because like I said on my storefront, I'm gonna have like tons and tons of stuff. But the last thing for this video is this walking pad. I don't think I can fit that in here under my desk, but if I could, like if I had it situated, I would get one of these because you could get your steps in, you could exercise. I'm actually about to go change and get on the treadmill now and walk and like listen to a podcast. I love walking. I'm a treadmill girl. Like our treadmill we keep in the garage. I always have the garage door open, the fresh air. Like it's the perfect time of year for like a cool, crisp like walk. But you can get that same effect in your office. Open a window, maybe have the desk facing the window, open all the windows, let the breeze come in and you're walking and like you're doing some work, like you're answering some emails, you're doing what you need to do. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that I'm gonna share in today's video, but like I said, link down in the description box. It'll be its own section, all the Amazon Prime deals. It's today and tomorrow. I'm gonna be adding more as I see them. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspo. If you are going to be clicking on the link and shopping, let me know in the comments what you pick up. And yeah, you guys, with all of that being said, me and all my Amazon deals, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.